Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French. Avec moi, je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French. Avec moi, I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Aujourd'hui, c'est le challenge. Today is the challenge. Nous allons écouter et faire des phrases. We're going to listen and make sentences ensemble, together. Pendant cet épisode, je vais faire des phrases en français à traduire en anglais et des phrases en anglais à traduire en français. During this episode, I'll make some French sentences to translate into English and some English sentences to translate into French. Je vais répéter chaque phrase 2 fois et vous aurez du temps pour répondre. I will repeat each sentence twice and you'll have time for replying. Of course, you can reply out loud or you can reply in your head. Vous pouvez aussi prendre un papier et un crayon pour répondre. You can also take a piece of paper and a pencil to answer. La transcription est sur le site www.speakfrenchavecmoi.com dans la partie podcast. You'll find the full transcript in my website www.speakfrenchavecmoi.com in the podcast part. Alors, vous êtes prêts? Allez, c'est parti. Je me sens mal, je suis super stressée. Je me sens mal, je suis super stressée. I feel bad. I'm really stressed out. On est très fiers de toi. On est très fiers de toi. We are really proud of you. Ça va? Tu as la forme aujourd'hui? Ça va? Tu as la forme aujourd'hui? How are you? Are you in shape today? Je suis une mauvaise humeur, je trouve plus ma carte bleue. Je suis une mauvaise humeur, je trouve plus ma carte bleue. I'm in a bad mood, I don't find my credit card anymore. Paul et moi, on n'a pas le moral en ce moment. Paul et moi, on n'a pas le moral en ce moment. Paul and I, we are not in a good spirits at the moment. Alors, c'était un peu difficile? So it was a little hard and difficult? You notice that I did speak a little faster than usual, so you can hear real speech, real speed, and real pronunciation. I encourage you to pause and to repeat to listen to the pronunciation. And of course, I hope you were able to find the right translation. If you were not able to find the right translation, don't feel bad. Just listen to the past 3 episodes, take notes, and listen again. Vous êtes prêts à parler français? Je vais faire une petite pause et je reviens tout de suite. I'm going to have a little break and I'll be right back. Are you ready to speak French? Maintenant, je vais faire des phrases en anglais à traduire en français. Now, you're going to hear English sentences to translate into French. We are in a very good mood. We're in a very good mood. On est de très bonne humeur. On est de très bonne humeur. I can't pay cash. Do you take credit cards? I can't pay cash. Do you take credit cards? Je ne peux pas payer en espèces. Vous prenez les cartes de crédit? Je ne peux pas payer en liquide. Vous prenez les cartes de crédit? We feel good here. We feel good here. On se sent bien ici. On se sent bien ici. She's happy and really relaxed. She's happy and really relaxed. Elle est heureuse et relaxée. Elle est heureuse et relaxée. I don't have cash on me. I don't have any cash on me. Je n'ai pas de liquide sur moi. Je n'ai pas d'espèces sur moi. Voilà, alors c'était un petit peu difficile. Here you go. I know it was a lot difficult. Again, the idea is for you to improve your French, improve your comprehension, and sometimes it can be a bit more challenging. Doing comprehension is very important, and I always encourage my students to go out of their way to listen to some French content, Netflix, YouTube videos with the right captions. You can also listen to the news. You can listen to some podcasts that are not dedicated to French learners, but just to listen to French, so you can improve your comprehension, even if it's really hard at the beginning, especially just listening, but also so you can get the rhythm. And it's important to listen to real French spoken in an everyday environment. As usual, go on the website, you would see the transcription and you can take the challenge again. If you find that this episode was helpful, leave 5 stars. You can do it right in the app on Spotify, and you can do it on Apple Podcasts. It helps other people to find out about the podcasts. And of course, feel free to share. Well, I hope you're having a great day. If nobody has told you today, I know you're just someone awesome. So let's meet next week for a new episode. Merci, au revoir, à bientôt.